Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be preparing crispy tofu-katsu. If you are craving a delicious vegetarian dinner, this tofu-katsu is a must-try. Let me show you how to make it. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 1 package of tofu, salt and pepper, oil for frying, 1/4 of cabbage, 2 slices of lemon, tuna or your favorite sauce. For the breading, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Step 1. Press the firm tofu to remove excess water. Cut the tofu into desired shapes, usually rectangles or squares, and salt and pepper to taste. Step 2. Finely shred the cabbage, then soak it in water for 2 to 3 minutes. After soaking, drain the cabbage in a colander to remove excess water. Step 3. Set up 3 shallow bowls with flour, beaten egg, and panko breadcrumbs. Take a tofu piece, dredge it in flour, dip it into the egg, and coat it thoroughly with panko breadcrumbs, gently pressing down to adhere. Step 4. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Fry the breaded tofu until golden brown and crispy on all sides. Place them on a wire rack or paper towel to remove excess oil. Serve the tofu cuts alongside shredded cabbage and a slice of lemon. Drizzle the flavorful sauce over the crispy tofu or serve it on the side for dipping. I hope you enjoy this delicious vegetarian tofu-katsu. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.